Hello guys, today I'm going to open two new cars from a Hot Wheels Mainline 2020. So I'm going to open the red car first. This is 2020 Jeep Gladiator from Baja Blazers. This is actually a new model of 2020. Here's the Jeep Gladiator. It has two motorcycles on his cargo box. This Jeep Gladiator looks very nice. I like that one. Okay, the second car is the 8th crate from Rod Squad. Oh boy, now that's an old boy. He looks amazing. Let's take a look at this one. It has now the white wall wheels, some nice green and black striping, green Hot Wheels logo. This car is a classic. It looks like a Ford. Yeah, it is actually based on a Ford car. This car is actually amazing. It looks like Jackhammer. Okay. These two cars are awesome. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.